program that I participated in a few weeks ago, which was PAgE 23, Putra Agro Exploration 2023. And the program have several objectives, which are to increase SP19 students' interest towards agricultural related activities. Second, to develop teamwork and leadership skills in participants. Third, to create um, a weekend getaway for students from their curricular activities. And fourth, to encourage students to mix and enlarge their friend groups between different lecture groups and classes. For the first module, which is the amazing water race, we have 5 disciplines in total. The first one is swimming. Second one is swimming while carrying paddles. The third one is crossing the lake using ropes. And the fourth one is platform pulling. And the final one is kayaking. It is a race between 3 groups in total. So, and my group actually achieved the first place in this race. Through this module, we managed to divide our tasks according to our respective strengths and weaknesses so that we can win the race. The second module is creative games. It is held at the general area of Bukit Expo, and there are 5 checkpoints, which are the first one giant bars, second is coconut bowling, third is chapte, fourth is marble transport, and the fifth one is giant jump rope. For the first one, which is the giant bars, we are required to flip steel bars away or out of the circle to get points in a limited time. And the second one, coconut bowling, as the name suggests, we need to play bowling using coconuts to score. The third game is the chapte game. We are required to manage to get as many touches on the chapte as possible in a limited time. The fourth one is marble transport, where we need to transport marbles to baskets together as a team using PVC pipes. And the final one is the giant jump rope, where we need to play jump rope together as a team. And from this module, we learn to work as a team, as we need each other to complete the task together in order to complete the task successfully. And our group actually set the record for the giant jump rope activity with the highest number of the team of participants that stays in the jump rope until the final 15 consecutive turns. The third module is module 3, which is salted duck egg processing. So in this module, we have 3 processes, which are container assembling, egg scrubbing and polishing, and the last one is packaging the eggs with preservative solution. So through this module, we need to be careful and detailed while cleaning or handling the egg to prevent it from breaking or defects. And we learn the process of commercialized salted egg processing, and also we gain experience from the module. For module 4, which is target shooting or paintball, each person have 20 bullets, and we need to shoot the target on the bottles. As you can see in the picture, there are bottles on the table, quite a distance from the shooting position, and we collect points for each hit. So actually this is my first experience of playing paintball, and not to brag, but I hit the total of 20 shots directly to the bottles with no misses. uh, not to brag, okay. It was fun, despite my team not getting the first place from the three groups in our batch, as our total points is not that high. We get the third place out of three groups, which is quite bad, but we all have fun. We all had fun. That's what's important. For the fifth module, which is orienteering, we need to learn how to use the compass and map given. Second, we need to use the equipments to find the 8 checkpoints around the area. And the third one is to mark the proof sheet, which is a laminated sheet with unique markers from each checkpoints according to the order given in the paper. So from this activity, I and my group mates learn how to use compass and the orienteering techniques using the compass and the map. And we work as a team to find the checkpoints by giving tasks, dividing tasks among our group members. And we managed to complete the activity successfully and finish the 8 checkpoints in a short period of time. The final module, which is module 6, serai planting. There are 5 processes in serai planting, which were rope setting, measuring, holes digging, planting, and plantlet counting. So the first one, which is rope setting, we need to tie a rope from the starting point of the plantation to the end to ensure that we are planting in a straight path. And the second one is measuring. We need to measure between the holes that we are digging for the serai planting to make sure that we can utilize the space as maximum as we can. And then hole digging, after our measurement is done, we can start digging holes for the plantlet to be planted, which is the fourth step, which is planting. And the final step is plantlet counting. After we finish planting the whole row, we will start counting to record in their book. So through this process, I got first-hand experience in planting serai commercially, not like what I had when I planted serai at the back of my house, which was like 2 or 3 plantlets. So this is a total different procedure. And then we managed, or we did plant a total of 160 plantlets in a time period of half an hour, which is quite fast, but we did it successfully. So we divided tasks between our group members, and each of us did our parts to successfully finish the serai planting. In this picture that I've included here, this is actually the what they call the lembu genie, which is the one of the useful transportations that we depend on to get to our farthest checkpoint, which need us to take about like 20 minutes to half an hour if we decided to walk there. So thank you to the organizer for preparing or providing such a wonderful transportation. All in all, I would like to thank the organizer of the program for organizing such a wonderful and successful program for me and for the students. It was a great initiative, activity for us, as we learn more about ourselves, we know each other more, we get to do multiple agriculture related activities that we did not experience before. And to be a part of the program is such an honor. I would like and I would love to participate in programs like this in the future, and I hope there will be programs like this in the future, and I will support it 100%. That's all for me. Thank you for being such a good audience.